Hello everyone. In continuation to the topic analytical geometry, this is question number 8. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points 1, 7 and -5, 6 in the ratio number 1, 1:2 internally, number 2, 3:2 externally. So primarily, we have been given these 2 points. Let us say x1, y1 is given as 1, 7. We'll say let, and then x2, y2 is given as -5, 6. So first part of the question says 1:2 internally. Which means our m value is 1, n value is 2. So the coordinates what we are supposed to find is x, y, and that will be m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n and m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. So which means our x value will be m is 1 multiplied by x2. x2 is -5 plus n is 2 multiplied by x1. x1 is 1 divided by m plus n means 1 plus 2. So this will give us -5 plus 2 divided by 3. Numerator is -3, denominator is 3. So x value is 1. Now y will be m, that is 1, y2. y2 is 6 plus n times y1. y1 is 7 divided by 1 plus 2. So this is 6 plus 14 by 3. So we get 20 by 3. So therefore x, y is -1, 20 by 3. That is our desired coordinates for the first part of the question. Second part of the question, it says 3:2 externally. 3:2 will be your m:/n. They gave us externally. So our x, y will be m x2 minus n x1 divided by n minus n. Similarly, y coordinate is m y2 minus n y1 divided by m minus n. So that will give you, so I will write x separately. X will be 3 times x2. So what is x2? x2 is -5 minus n will be 2, x1 will be 1 divided by 3 minus 2. So this is -15 minus 2 divided by 1. So we get -17. Then y coordinate will be m, that is 3 times y2. y2 is 6 minus n times y1. y1 is 7. So this is 18 minus 14 by 1, we get 4. Therefore, x, y will be -17, 4. That is the solution for the second part. Next is question 9. Find the ratio in which 3, -9 divides the points of 1, comma minus 3 and minus 3, comma 9. So let x, comma y equal to 3, comma minus 9. And x1, comma y1 will be 1, comma minus 3. And x2, comma y2 will be minus 3, comma 9. Now let the point of division, or let the ratio be k is to 1 internally. So we will be using that internal division formula. So our x will be m x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, which means x is 3 equal to k times x2, that is minus 3, plus n is 1, x1 is 1 divided by k plus 1. Cross multiplying, we will have 3k plus 3 is equal to minus 3k plus 1, which means 3k plus 3k equal to 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. So we get 6k is equal to minus 2, or k is minus 2 by 6, which can be simplified as minus 1 by 3. Therefore, the ratio is k is to 1, that is minus 1 by 3 is to 1, which can be rewritten as minus 1 is to 3 internally. But if it is minus 1 into 3 internally, means it will become 1 is to 3 externally. That is because of the external division formula, since external division coordinates external point of division coordinates are that is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, and then my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. This we had already seen. Now this can be rewritten as mx2 plus minus n times x1 by m plus minus n, comma my2 plus minus n times y1 by m plus minus n. So that means this is the same as, this implies the ratio will be m is to minus n internally, because we just modified, we made everywhere n, instead of n it is minus n, so the ratio becomes now m is to minus n internally. So on that basis only we wrote in the above. That is why we wrote 1 is to 3 externally. So that is the solution for this question.